So just got here to Prattville, Alabama. Got here last night, and this is the Airstream. As you can see, it's already looking amazing. All right, everyone, so day 2. All right, everyone, so this is day 3. We are here this morning, about ready to start working on the upper portions of this as far as getting it refined. And going to be using our EXQUISITEMAD, in-house engineered and produced polishes, and going to be refining the surface and getting it right where we want it to be. So that wraps up with this 27-foot Airstream. Turned out absolutely exquisite, and I'm going to give you the walk around, let you see the results here. But before we do that, just want to let you know, if you're in need of Airstream polishing, we're #1 for Airstream polishing in the world. So we come straight to your location, provide services right there at your location, on site. So give us a call, 800-292-2341, or visit us online at exquisitemad.com, or you can send us an email at info@exquisitemad.com. All the services are listed on our website. We offer a lot. It's too much to mention in this one video, but definitely check it out. All right, everyone, let you see the results here. Turned out absolutely amazing. I'm gonna take you all the way around, and what you're seeing right now is, of course, in 4K. So you're getting to see it in high definition. Project took right at 50 hours, of course, to complete. But as you can see, this Airstream turned out absolutely exquisite. EXQUISITEMAD.